In this example, I have tan x multiplied by, in bracket, cosine x plus cotan x equals to sine x plus 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start from the left hand side because it looks more complicated. So I need to convert everything to cosine and sine. So it's going to be sine x divided by cosine x. Here we have cosine x plus cosine divided by sine x. So what I'm going to do, just change my pen. So it's going to be sine x times cosine x divided by cosine x plus sine x, when you multiply it here, times cosine x divided by cosine x times sine x. So as you see here, sine x and sine x cancel out, cosine x and cosine x cancel out, this cosine and cosine cancel out, so I will have only sine x plus 1. So that's how it's proven.